After having to pay them bills, let's see, we ain't gonna worry about that one. But I ain't got too much bill paying videos left. So shout out to the big homie because we gonna kick it with a beat real quick and go back into the video. See if this goes right. Live testing in the field, baby. Either we make it happen or we don't, right? Give y'all a second to roll up. Hopefully you got one ready. It is your morning sesh with your boy on Sundays. Hey, y'all know we gonna keep it popping all week, so we got the Rumble video recording. I kind of posted yesterday's video late as fuck, but hey, it might have been the right time for the right place. Either way, y'all know to go check that out. I gotta sweep my floors, rolling all them damn blunts for dad. Yeah, got me some tobacco guts everywhere. This is why I go with the natural wild hemps. That way I don't have no guts. Okay, so that did go back to that video.
Plant. It has been used to clean up toxins in the environment because it is so good at accumulating everything in the environment that it just takes it in and it concentrates it. So the combination of those two practices, but that's just one example. You've also got, if you use recycled wood, it turns out a lot of that has chlordane, stuff that's been banned in the United States for half a century, and being taken up by the plants. That's among the chemical. We found DDT not in use, chlordane not in use. Stuff that you wouldn't realize is still out in the environment destroying up the plants.
It's not in use in the United States. It's been banned, DDT, but you found it in the marijuana. How did it get there?
Yeah,
it was in what?
Here's the theory on those, is that there are some very large-scale growers. They're growing cannabis like it was corn. I mean, fields of cannabis in the Central Valley, where there's a history of heavy pesticide use. So it's in the soil. And if they're not using these chemicals, when the wind blows dust, it's essentially exposing the plants to that. So that's the theory. There's actually a one of the testing labs. They get into the forensics of where did the contamination come from, and that's one of the things they like to do. They're like detectives, and they'll go to a cannabis grow and climb around in the air ducts. That's a great place for a lot of these chemicals to hide, and they'll help find the source. Because invariably, we had brands and growers say, well, we didn't use this. We didn't. Sometimes I think they're honest, that they actually didn't. Other times I think they're just lying, but there's an ability to trace it. There are. I heard many stories about where did it come from, including it came from the mother plant, and they cut and they sprayed that, and then they cut that into baby clones, and they grew the clones. Well, the clones grew up into plants, and they still had the chemicals in them. So
So